Hello guys, welcome back to the food forest. I wanted to introduce you to the most amazing cucumber that I know of. This is a explosive cucumber. And look at these. These are like little tiny beings, and they're cucumbers. And they are self-seeding in the garden and thriving outside in our garden. So they sort of self-seed all over, and you see lots of different ones, different sizes. You cannot let them get too big, because when they do, maybe this one will work, we will see. They actually explode, and they will send their seeds all over the garden, and that's how they survive. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, all the seeds are gone, and this is like the most intense catapult that I've ever experienced on a plant. It has such power. So when they're this size, you can't eat them, but these tiny cute ones are delicious, and I think children are just falling in love with these, and I think they're such fun to have in the garden. So explosive cucumbers. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you later.